We back again with another Bitcoin daily DCA because USD just ain't the way. Currently September 18th, 2025. We're sitting at block height 915,278. One Bitcoin will run you $117,730-ish dollars, and one USD will currently get you 849 sats. The network is looking good, hash rate looking strong, nodes looking strong, everything looking good. Let's keep moving along. Our Z-score is, let me get the 17th, at 2.31. Still not in the overbought, still not in the oversold territory, just trending sideways. Our floor, our 200-week moving average, is slowly trekking on up. That's what we want to see. 52,640, up a little bit from yesterday. Looking at some technicals on the weekly chart, Bitcoin RSI sitting at 61, and we're moving up. If we take a look at BITI technicals on the weekly chart, RSI is sitting at 35 and price is dipping down a little bit. If we take a look at the buys, so here's the order that I placed today. As you can see, everything is matching up with what I have over here in the spreadsheet. This is how much Bitcoin I was able to purchase for $1. This is the total accumulated over all these 9 buys so far. And would you look at that, finally flipped in the green. The Bitcoin account is up due to the slight run up in price. Like I said, we've been averaging down, just averaging in, buying. That's the beauty of, DCA and dollar cost averaging, is that you'll buy sometimes in the lows, and then when it runs up, sometimes you'll be buying in the high and everywhere in between. As you can see, we were down when I started this, and then now we flipped into the positive slowly but surely. Our Z-score is 2.31, like we already seen. We already seen the RSI, and we see this is a very important number right here, this category. We want to constantly see this number slowly creeping up. So this is, considered our a good area of a lot of support at this area based on previous history. And then if we take a look over at BITI, scroll down, this is what I accumulated for $1, like I got in right there. That's the price, $17.94. And then this one has flipped. So now this one is out of the positive and in the negative a little bit for the overall account. So I've contributed $9 and the value is a little less. So as you see, as Bitcoin price continues to run up, BITI will continue to run down because it's an inverse. It's the inverse of Bitcoin price. So when Bitcoin price goes up, BITI will go down. And then when Bitcoin price goes down, BITI price will run up. And that's really all I got. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Keep stacking stats. Keep staying out the way. Keep doing the knowledge. And if you haven't read, if you want a book recommendation, check out Principles of Bitcoin by VJ Selvum. A really great book. It goes into the technological, the philosophical, the economics, and the political side of Bitcoin. Talks about some history on how we've ended up where we're at now. It talks about why Bitcoin is the way, and it's also helpful to just keep giving yourself the knowledge, keep getting different perspectives. There's a lot of smart people in this space that have put out great work. So keep figuring out what the problem is, keep heading toward the solution, keep providing value, and then keep storing your hard-earned value in something that's going to continue to grow in value, that can't be manipulated, that can't be printed, with the flick of a button. And that's all I got.